Welcome back to Shem's Universe. So today we're just going to discuss quickly the last principle of outweighing the devil, which is the shortest one. It's just about caution. So caution just more so discusses that you need to have a lot of caution when you're going through your thoughts, your words, and your deeds, which all originates in thoughts, because you cannot have a word without thinking, and you cannot do an action without thinking. So what you have to understand is that, like, if you're what the devil is trying to get across is that a lot of people just don't think; they just do more so spontaneous things. It's all impulsive. When you do impulsive things, you're not going to get ahead in life. You have to make sure that you're never drifting and staying on a clear path with a tunnel vision, focused on what you want. Sorry guys, I'm sweating like crazy today. It's a heat wave out here in Canada, but yeah. So you guys have to understand that when you have your thoughts, like you have an average human being has about 80,000 thoughts a day or more. It's around that number. But those thoughts mostly consist of 80% negative thoughts based on your environment. In order for you to change that, you got to outwit your environment. You got to outsmart. That's why I talked about controlling your environment, because you have to realize that your thinking is definitively correlated with what you're around each and every day. So if you're going to be around people and things that are just going to bring forth negative thoughts, you got to change that. Meaning you got to be cautious about how you think. You got to be cautious about how you talk to people and how you interact with people. You got to look at things for utility. You can't just talk for just the sake of talking. Talk for utility. Talk for things that have to do with your purpose, or don't talk at all. Keep your mouth shut. If you're doing actions each day, don't just drink and smoke and do all this random stuff each day. Do things with a purpose. You can have vices, yes, but do them with moderation, or else you're going to suffer from drifting. So that's just the last principle. It's, like I said, the shortest one. It's just all about having caution when going through the other principles. It brings us right back to the first one, which is deafness of purpose. So once you have caution, that's your last step. If you follow these 7 principles, guys, you're going to definitely be good to go. I think this book was a lot of an easier format in comparison to Think and Grow Rich, where it was like 13 principles. This condensed it down to 7. And if you follow these 7 principles, you will automatically follow any other self-help book that you are given. If you follow these 7, like, there's no other self-help book you should really require, but I will go through more. The next one I'm going to go through is the Magic of Thinking Big. But this week I'm going to get back to numerology for you guys. I know a lot of you guys had questions about numerology numbers. So I'm going to do name numbers from 1 to 9, then I'll do master numbers. Actually, I'll be doing master numbers with them, because the way I'm going to do it is it's going to be, I'll do name number 1, but I'm going to introduce like the name number 1 if your name was just 1, if your name was like a 10, a 19, or a 28. And I'm going to go through each of them. So these videos that are coming the next couple of days are going to be a lot longer, but I'm going to give a lot more detail on these numbers and what you can do to get around them. Alright, so thank you guys very much for listening. Like, subscribe, holla at me. I gotta get out of here.